Getting used to the interface of Blender is pivotal to your success in the software. Let's start with the different windows. The main window here is the 3D viewport. This is where all your objects, lights, cameras, everything is in your scene. You can view your scene in wireframe, solid, material preview, or rendered view by pressing Z and selecting the shading option, or you can select it in the top right of the viewport. We have two side menus in the viewport. You have the toolbar on the left, which can be opened and closed by pressing T. And we have the side panel or N panel that is opened and closed by pressing N. If something was hidden in your viewport and you can no longer see it, you make your way over to the outliner window here. This has everything in your scene, but if something is hidden, you can still see it here. You'll notice an eyeball icon that will be closed if something is hidden. You can create collections or groups of objects by clicking on this plus icon. Rename objects or collections by double-clicking the name and renaming it. Drag and drop objects into the new collection or select them in the viewport. Press M for move, select the collection you want or new collection. Below this window is the properties window. This window has all the options for your scene, rendering, collections, modifiers, particles, physics, all your settings, materials, all of it's going to be here. This is going to control a lot of what you see in your viewport. Below the viewport is the timeline. This is the window that will show your animation keyframes and your playback options. Up at the top of the interface, you'll see a bunch of tabs. These are specialized layouts for Blender. You can use any of these or you can create your own. Navigation in Blender is easy. To orbit around in the viewport, click down on your scroll wheel or middle mouse button and move your mouse around. To pan left, right, up, and down, hold Shift and middle mouse button, then move your mouse. To zoom, you can use your scroll wheel like normal, or for more precise control, hold Control and click down on your middle mouse button. To snap your viewpoint to a front, side, or top view, press numpad 1 for front, 3 for side, 7 for top. Hold Control while pressing numpad 1, 3, or 7 to flip to the opposite side. If you don't have a numpad, you can click on the axis letter on the Navigate gizmo in the top right of the viewport. To frame a selected object, press period on the numpad. If you don't have a numpad, you can find it in the View menu at the top of the viewport and select Frame Selected. To undo any actions, press Ctrl-Z. To save your project, press Ctrl-S. Mastering navigation is going to put you on the right path to success.